I'm Stacy Wentworth. I am a physician. I'm a radiation oncologist, which I absolutely love working with cancer patients. I remember as a small town farm kid, there was not a big history of Greek life in my family. I felt that when I went into Kappa Delta during recruitment, that I could be my full self, that I could be the nerd that I was for science, and that I could also be surrounded by funny women who wanted to make the world a better place. As a person who was very focused on studying and very focused on becoming a doctor, Kappa Delta never wanted me to be anything different than that. After college, I went to medical school and graduated again at Wake Forest. I took a job in Greensboro, a very busy practice. I worked there for about a decade and then switched over and came back to Wake Forest now as a professor and met with some of the physicians who had trained me, and they brought me back to start a cancer survivorship program. For a long time, starting in the 1970s, all we were doing as researchers and doctors was trying to find a cure for cancer. What cancer survivorship says is it's not enough to just cure the patient. We also have to start listening to the things that we've done. There really needs to be a bridge, a reorientation back to life. And so that's really where I come to cancer survivorship, is this holistic view, and it's a turning of the patient from a very medically and physician-dominated world, which is cancer treatment, to empowering the patient to say, you're returning now to this world, a changed person, having had this very big experience. What can we do to empower you to be the best person that you want to be moving forward? I think that it is really difficult to be a woman, and the world sometimes is going to tell you things that are not true about yourself. And it is important to surround yourself with women who are going to tell you the truth about yourself when the rest of the world is trying to tell you a different story. Kappa Delta sisters throughout my life have been with me when I have doubted the story of who I am. The community of KD sisters has really surrounded me throughout my life. I don't know that when I was 18 years old joining Kappa Delta that this was going to be a lifetime of sisterhood, but I can say that it has been for me.